Hello peoples of the internet, another day, another vlog. I'm at the Estoril circuit once again, and I think you can see behind me there's a lot of cool cars already. I'm gonna show you some of them. So we have the new M4, the facelift, Alpine, beautiful yellow Porsche. In here there's a dealership from Porto, in the north of Portugal, called AR Line Motorsports, I think. And they have a beautiful collection of cars, such as this GTR, R8, beautiful GTS, beautiful spec on this GT3 RS, GT4, 488, with loads of carbon everywhere, the engine, all carbon, also in the splitter. I don't know if you can see. I'd love to have one of these as my daily one day. Also in here, something you don't see every day. Beautiful car. An Ariel Atom. For the looks of it, it's already modified with loads of carbon fiber and downforce things. Also in here, we have a lot of different GTI generations. But right now I'm gonna show you a little bit of what's going on the boxes. We have a couple more GT3s, M3s, I have some friends here. So yeah, right now I'm gonna show you what's going behind the boxes. This M4 is really stunning with the Vorstrainer kit on the grills, the spoiler, some bits from Vorstrainer. Also here, what do we have? We have a GT4 RS and also this crazy Alpine, the 110R. I've never seen one. Everything is carbon also. Carbon in there, carbon wheels. These must be so expensive. Carbon spoiler. This is all carbon. Carbon in there. Also the GT4 RS is insane. Love these wheels, these new Porsche wheels. Also here, GT3 RS 991. Beautiful car. Love this generation. My favorite one is the 0.2, but also this one is good. The aero discs on the rear. Also here, GT3 RS, another 991. This time in orange. Orange with the black accents. Really cool as well. Lots of Porsches here today, so that's really good. Yeah, basically for now that's it. There's not much cars, but there's good cars in here. And normally that's the kind of track days I like the most. It's not a rush for like hundreds of photographers to get photos. You do what you want to do. It's just what I love the most in these track days, because there's no rush in nothing and everyone just kind of have their place, and yeah, it's good. As you can see, the M3 just arrived in the box and this thing is insane. The whole front end is made of carbon. This is like a full Shermer body kit or Hero kit, I don't know what to call it, but beautiful ducktail in there. I don't know if you can see it, kind of CSL style. This car is so insane. Right now I think I'm gonna try and do some videos, some reels for Drive Division. I haven't shown you their box yet, but I'm going there right now. But yeah, they're here just with 2 cars for the track. So it's gonna be a bit easier for me to like track the cars on a few laps and do some panning shots of them or something. I was going to the Drive Division box, but as you can see, another MG GT, another one, but this is a Black Series. As you can see, the Black Series. This is actually a orange wrap with the splitter to the front for more downforce. As I was telling you, I partnered with Drive Division again to do some content for them. Really cool to partner with them again, to have some people who can trust my work. So basically this is their box. They have a beautiful tent, everything. The Civic with some cool t-shirts in here. Also a NSX that just arrived earlier, and the mighty E36 wagon also in here. I'm gonna show you a bit more once more people start to go on track and more cars start to arrive, because I think in the after the lunch there's a bunch more people coming, so that's good. I can show you a bit more what's going on. So this just arrived, beautiful 600 LT, and I think it throws some fire, some good flames, but this spec is just so gorgeous. Beautiful purple with the orange calipers, matching the orange detail on the LT. Beautiful interior, very cool car. Okay, so what's happening? I was trying to do a video of this car, the M3, but the car just ran out of tires and they don't have this specific tire to change, to go on track again. But for now I'm gonna try and get a car to do a specific reel about the car. I'm trying to see if the people are open to it, because some people just don't give a shit to this and don't want videos of their cars, so also a couple more cars just pulled up. This beautiful E92 just came, also the GT4 RS, but you already saw that. This is insane, this color, look at it, so beautiful, with the orange interior, so crazy. Beautiful green color on the car. Very cool selection of cars, but this spec is something else. Also the supercar killer of the moment, M3 Touring. And here we have the drive division corner. We have an E36, E20N, Integra, Civic, and another Civic. I'll try now to go to some corners, see what I can get. Okay, so the video I wanted to do with the M3, I'm trying to do with the Turbo S, the Techart. I already put the GoPro inside the car. They don't let the cars go outside on the track with cameras outside. What I'm gonna do is like wait for the end, and in the pit lane we're gonna do some small sections of the cameras strapped to the outside of the car. So I think there's gonna be no issues, because it's just a pit lane, it's not a track, so everything is good, hopefully. Okay, so everything is done now. I just did, unfortunately I couldn't do the M3. We could do some things in the pit lane, but I had no time because I was shooting the Turbo S behind me. So yeah, the guy just agreed to do some things in the pit lane, do some revving, some kind of rolling shots. You'll see in a video I'll post, but yeah, basically really cool car. I just did some videos of the carbon details, everything, but yeah, that's it. Okay, so I was gonna end the video there, but something just came up and I had the opportunity to shoot just a freaking cool car, to do like a little video, and the guy is actually arriving just right now, so just look at this beauty. Just look at this, how insane it is. see, we're already here in the photo shoot. I already did some photos and videos of the car rolling. Right now my friend is gonna do some photos, so yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. The video is basically done. I already took all the photos I wanted. I didn't film much for the vlog. I was trying to focus more on doing the video itself, but it's also horizontal, so I'm gonna show you a couple bits of what we filmed, but bear in mind the sound must not be great because the car is way too loud and my microphones don't do justice to all the sound. So yeah, I'll try to like get you to hear it well, but it's so crazy, the car and the sound of the car. But yeah, we're done with all the photos. I'm gonna do some photos with my film camera and it's done for the day, so yeah.